Saan ba kasi yun? Alam ko nandito lang yun eh. Wala na talaga. Oh shit! Ah!
Let's go!
Where is it? Where is it? Ayun! Yes! Good afternoon, guys! Lunch. Ano na naman kakainin natin? Anong meron dito sa ref? Ang mga tira-tirang ulam. Ito, sinigang. Ito, sinigang na isda din. So, ito lalabas natin. Ito initin natin. Tapos ano pa ba? Itong santol galing tong Pilipinas, guys. Pinadala to sa akin ng tita ko. Giniling na santol, I think. Sige, kainin natin to. Initin muna natin to. Yan. Buksan natin. Yan, guys. So, isda. Ang sarap. Initin lang natin yan. Then, hindi na tayo magra-rice. Bread. Saya magtinapay tayo. Kuha tayo ng plato. Spoon. As usual, madaming hugasan. I hate it. Pakita ko nga sa inyo to, guys, itong santol na binigay sa akin ng tita ko. I'm not really sure kung familiar kayo sa ganyan, guys. Mukha siyang ang tawag dito. Ano ba yun? Bagoong. Pero hindi, guys. Ano yan? Giniling na santol from Laguna. Hindi ko alam kung paano ginagawa ni nanay. Pero yung lasa niya, guys, is may matamis-tamis na maalat-alat. I can't really explain it, pero masarap siya. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng konti. Sarap! Hi guys! Kain tayo! Late na ako nagising kasi sobrang pagod sa duty. Ever since na nag-join ako dun sa hospital namin, konti lang yung pasyente namin sa ward. Pero unfortunately, if you're a nurse, I know you can relate. There's such thing as pull out. Kahit hindi na busy yung department ko, pero busy yung other department, may tendency na ma-pull out ka para tulungan yung ibang department. Which is okay lang naman kasi mas gusto ko yung kumikilos kaysa yung nakaupo sa tapat na computer na walang ginagawa. Parang feel mo ang bagal ng oras. Wait lang, parang luto na yung ano. Kain tayo guys, paksiw. Tayong serving spoon. Ganto kami dito guys. Usually si mama nagluluto siya sa gabi. Tapos yung food na yon pwede na yung pang lunch tomorrow. Pwede rin pang dinner na rin kung madami yung nailuto niya. So, ayun. Wala si mama ngayon kasi nasa Dubai siya. Pumunta siya ng convention. Gusto nga niya sana ako isama pero ayoko, gusto ko na lang magpahinga ngayong araw na to. 3 days convention naman yun, so pwede pa naman akong matend after 2 days. So, ayun, let's see. Gusto ko rin kayo dalhin dun guys, kasi ang daming mga latest na mga developments sa medical technology, yung mga ganong stuff. So, I feel like some of you will be interested, lalo na dun sa mga nursing viewers ko. Or tapusin ko lang to, then I'm not really sure kung pupunta tayo ng Fujairah. Pinag-iisipan ko pa, okay? So, I'll see you later. Later! Hey guys, so we were supposed to leave kanina pa, but unfortunately hindi ko mahanap yung susi ng kotse. I've tried searching everywhere but I could not find it. I usually just put it here, but it's not here. Wala. And kapag wala dyan, nandito yan. Pero wala naman. Ay nako. God. I feel like hindi na rin tayo makakalis kasi anong oras na. You see the time guys? It's already what? 7 o'clock in the evening. May time pa naman tayo kasi yung mall dito sa amin, they close here at 11 o'clock or 12. I'm not really sure mga ganong oras. So meron pa naman tayong time because it's what? It's a 45 minutes drive away from us. Kailangan muna natin mahanap yung susi. I don't know where I kept it. Wala. I can't find it. I can't really find it. Oh wait, baka nandito sa mga sa mga bag areas. Oh shucks, patong ko lang kayo dyan ha. Wait lang ha. Ay. Baka na. Ito yung bag na ginagamit ko sa hospital. Baka naman nandito. Wala. Coins. Power bank. Charger. Wala talaga. Nandito lang yun sa bahay, hindi ko lang talaga mahanap. Lagi ko dyan siya nilalagay. Hindi ko lagi na lang talaga nawawala. So unfortunately guys, hindi na muna tayo aalis. Dito na muna tayo sa bahay. I'm used to this naman. So yan, bummer lang kasi off natin ngayon. Bukas pa naman tayo mag-duty and yun, pahinga na lang muna tayo dito. As you can see, ang dami nating Jesus sa background. May Mama Mary pa. And nga pala guys, si Pope Francis, bibisita siya dito sa UAE on February 5th and 6th. Me and my mom will be going there sa Abu Dhabi para bisitahin si Pope Francis, para puntahan si Pope Francis. And a lot of people, a lot of neighboring countries ng UAE such as Qatar, Oman, Saudi Arabia, yung mga Pilipino doon pupunta dito sa UAE para lang talaga ma-witness yung pagdating and pag-visit ni Pope Francis dito. So hopefully ma-vlog ko yun ng maayos and para makita niyo yung event na yun. Nag-iisip ako guys kasi late na rin tayo nagising. Alam mo, ganito talaga yung yung life ng mga OFW. Kapag yung mga off nila, minsan talaga gusto namin mamasyal, umalis. Pero yung mga times na ganito, katulad kahapon, duty ko, tapos ngayon off ko, instead na ilalabas ko yan, itinutulog ko na lang din minsan guys. Alam mo yun, mas mas parang feel ko, mas masaya pa ako dun. Is that what you call adulting? Grabe. And nga pala guys, nakalimutan ko kayo i-update sa mga bago kong subscribers. I'm doing my masters. And recently, nakuha ko yung grades ko. I thought at first hindi ako makakapasa guys kasi sobrang hirap. But, you know, with the grace of God, I was able to do well. Actually, not even well. Really, really, really well. So, I'm thankful about that. And sa mga prayers nyo, sa mga prayers and support nyo guys, thank you so much. So, i-edit ko lang itong video na to para ma-post ko na mamaya. And I'm just gonna read some articles para fresh yung utak natin bago pumasok yung new semester ng ating masters, guys. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Oh, shit! Ah! Ay, ba't ka tumatawa? Huwag ka nga tumawa.
Hindi, alam mo na ba? Alam mo ngayon?
Bakit?
Pag naisak na tawa na lang. Pansin talaga.
Wait, huwag ka magulo.
Alam mo yung endorsement talaga na yun. Grabe kayo
Ha?
Endorsement?
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning guys! Ba't ka natatawa? Ba't daw papailik? Huwag kang Isa ulit. Isa. Hello guys! Good morning! Today, we're headed off to Ras Al Khaimah kasi meron tayong sasamahan na Hollywood smile you guys. So guys, we're literally on top of the world kasi alam niyo ba kung bakit nasan tayo ngayon? We're having our oil change you guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. You know, like we're literally on top of the world. Hindi nyo lang makita but we're really very high. So ayan guys, we're having our oil change kasi we're going to Dubai and our kilometer is almost up the limit. So yun lang, meron akong papakita sa inyo. Who's that? Who's that guy? Hello guys, so ang pangit ko pala pag ganito. Bilib na bilib pa naman ako sa sarili ko.
BSB. Ano nga?
Sabi sa akin ni Lina, Michael, why did you become dark? Sabi ko, because I went for vacation.
Hindi naman.
Nagpagluta injection pa naman ako.
Talaga?
Joke. Ito naman, naniniwala ka na naman sa akin. Bakit pa nangipi ko medyo madilaw din ako? I think I have to have it done. Like,
cleaning?
Cleaning.
Hindi ka nagpa-cleaning sa Pilipinas?
Ang dami ko kasi ginawa, bes.
Hindi na kaya ng power.
Hindi na kinaya. Tsaka baka pag magpa-cleaning pa ako, baka... Anyway guys, see you sa Ras Al Khaimah kasi magpapa-adjust tayo ng ngipin kasi nakikita nyo naman medyo ano tayo may ano tayo dito, may gap tayo. Papa-close lang natin yan ng ng mabilisan lang. And next na makikita nyo ako, Hollywood smile na. So, yun. Okay, bye! 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 Bye!
Ako talaga kayo.
Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa medical center. We're having our teeth fixed, you guys. So,
Akala ko sumama ka lang.
Ha?
Akala ko sumama ka lang.
Excited?
Hindi.
Yan silang pa-Instagram dito, so we're gonna...
Naka-record mo ba yan?
Yeah, it's recorded. Why? We should have like a before and after. So that's a before.
Hindi ko alam. Ayaw ko?
Pakita mo naman yung outfit ko sa kanila, please.
Ay, shit. Ay, shit.
Laban. Laban walk.
Okay, thank you.
Pakita mo naman yung ngipin mo. Heart Evangelista na.
Parang super yellow na ngipin mo.
That's it. Maganda yung red na.
Hindi ko alam.
Nice. We're in Dubai Mall right now. Dito namin pinark yung kotse namin kasi dun sa pupuntahan namin, which is the Arab Health, is mahirap yung parking dun. So we're heading towards the Arab Health right now. And yung goal natin for this trip, you guys, is to collect as much freebies as we can kasi madami silang freebies dun, guys. And they're distributing those products para matest namin and we could spread the word whether that product works or not, right? So yun, guys, see you sa Arab Health. Bye!
Wala pa lang akong sinabi.
Sabi ka kasi na ano. Bye! Bye! For the Philippines. Catriona Gray. Aquaman.
Man, sorry about that. Oh, no, grab it! Get out the way!
No? Mamaya, night duty pa. Oo, night shift pa ako. Okay, tawagan na lang kita. Hindi kasi nag-video ako, nag-haul ako. Hindi, papunta na rin ako dyan. Okay. Okay, bye. Hi guys! So yan, I'm just going to do a very quick haul dun sa mga nakuha nating mga products dun sa Arab Health na pinuntahan natin yesterday sa Dubai. Wait nga lang, ba't parang hindi kayo stable? Yan. So yun, we're just gonna do a very quick haul video ng mga products na nakuha natin. So actually, I have 2 plastic bags with me here. Hindi naman siya ganun kadami. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha natin. Meron tayong nakuhang box, you guys, from Arab Health, and this is from Aster Pharmacy. Yan, guys. Sa inside niya, guys, is meron siyang a lot of products from inside. Merong Jergens body cream, and meron din tayong, wow, may pa-vitamin supplement, sanitizer, a shampoo, a Cetaphil shampoo. Paano ko nga ba nakuha itong ano na to? Itong gift na to? Bago ko siya nakuha, guys, meron akong sinalihan na 4 na activities. Before you can claim this gift or prize over here, you have to complete those 4 activities. Pero mga 3 activities lang ata yung na kompleto ko. The first is yung treadmill, guys. Sobrang napagod ako doon. Meron akong sinuot na virtual na mask. And then the next thing is yung, ano ba yung tawag mo? Sa gumaganon-ganon. Basta may pinipress akong mga numbers, I have to complete that. So yun yung 3 activities na ginawa ko. So I was able to get this package over here from Aster Pharmacy. Thank you, Aster Pharmacy. Then I also got this from Aster Pharmacy, guys. Itong may paano sila. Ang tawag nito, tumbler. May pa-tumbler sila. Hindi ko alam ang tawag dun sa loob nito. Meron siyang circle thing sa loob. I'm not really sure what you call that. So I also got this from Aster Pharmacy. Thank you, Aster Pharmacy. And one of the things that I look forward to whenever I go to an Arab Health convention is, of course, hindi mawawala ang mga yung mga eco bag, you guys. Ang dami nilang mabinigay na eco bag. Yan, guys, oh. Magagamit natin to sa grocery natin. So, pang shopping natin. I got a lot of this. And this, you guys, I got specifically from the Arab Health Convention family. And it has this gifts inside. May pag-goodie siya sa loob. Yan. Meron siyang pa. Anong tawag mo dito? Wow! May pa-stapler siya, guys. Yan. Magagamit natin ito sa ating mga pang-documentation. Thank you, Arab Health. Meron kang pa, meron kang pa-stapler, And guys, ito ay travel and wellness kit that I also got from Arab Health. Pakita ko sa inyo. Punta ako dyan ng mas malapit, okay? Ito, guys, buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Ooh! Ang daming pa-Band-Aid ni Mayor. Thank you, Arab Health. Meron silang madaming pa-Band-Aid. And meron din tayo ditong sunblock. It's from Ladybug Sun Protection Lotion. It's a normal sensitive skin at meron siyang 30 HPF, you guys. So, yan. Thank you, Arab Health. And meron na naman tayong, guys, hindi talaga tayo nawawalan sa vitamins. So, yan. Meron tayong NRC 1000 mg vitamin C drink. So, yan, guys. Focus! So, yun. At, syempre, hindi mawawala ang hand sanitizer. Yan. Iwas tayo sa germs. So, ayun. Those are the things that I got from my side. But few days ago, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung mom ko, pumunta na siya ahead dun sa Arab Health. And she got some pretty good stuff. And papakita ko sa inyo. Sabi niya sa akin, she got this for free as well. This Leica, I'm not sure if you could properly see that yan, guys. So, Leica facial mask technology. Ano nga bang ginagawa ng product na to? So, what's on the box? The facial sauna exploits the beneficial action of steam to deeply cleanse facial skin, removing impurities and blackheads. Wow! The skin refreshed and moisturized appears younger and has a healthier glow. Ideal for use in the home, it removes makeup deep down, opening the skin pores and laying the foundations for a good tan. Oh my god, I don't want to be tan, as it helps prevent the skin going dry. Let's take the product here. Let's do a taste test. Taste test? No, let's do a test. What the? Meron na siyang tubig sa loob. Basically, nabubuksan mo to siya, guys. And lalagyan mo siya ng tubig dun sa loob. I'm not sure if you could properly see that. Could you see that? Could you see that? I believe this is where you place your head. Nakaganon siya. Oh my god! Ah! Ipa-plug ko muna siya. Medyo basa nga lang siya. Wait. Ay dating electrocutes? So you have to wait for it to boil, and we don't have time for that kasi aalis na nga tayo meron pa tayong pasok, bes. So yun, what do you call this one? Isa-set natin siya sa 1. Kapag na-set mo na siya sa 1, so basically nagbo-boil na siya sa loob, pero it's not yet technically boiling kasi hindi pa siya nagbo-boil. So pag nag-boil na siya, guys, lalabas yung steam dito. And I guess from what I've read, you have to place your face over here. It's like it's gonna heat your face, right? So once it heats your face, malulusin up yung mga blackheads, yung mga whiteheads, yung mga pimples, and that's the time you can what do you call this one? You can press it and it, charan! Ano ba? Nahihirapan ako mag-explain. This is a really good, not purchase kasi hindi naman to binili ni Mama, but this is a very good find, you guys. Kasi pag nasa Arab Health Convention ka, guys, you should have that endurance and the energy to look around. Kasi kapag ikaw yung tao na mabilis mapagod, basically Arab Health Convention is a torture kasi ang laki, guys, eh. And we were only able to visit some countries like Turkey, China, Malaysia, and those stuff, you guys. So this is a very good find, Mom. Galing, galing. So I guess yun lang. That's our very quick Arab Health haul, you guys. Wala naman kami masyadong ginawa after that. So, ano ba? Yun lang. Nagmamadali kasi tayo. Malapit na tayo pumasok. Maliligo pa ako. So, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and be part of the Tito family. So, yun lang. Thank you as always sa suporta nyo. Maraming salamat. Shukran jazilan. Shishe. Kakabataga. Hatisap. Pumat. Thank you so much.